the bottle and then gets compared to a photo of a perfect bottle. This machine can test if the glass is too thin to be put back through again. It can see a crack, a scratch, anything on the bottle, and will recycle the glass. Comes down and goes through this machine, which fills the beer, and then they come out capped. You see they're getting capped. They will put between 80 and 120,000 bottles fill a day. Do you export? It's only in Ontario and the provinces west of us.
We can't buy it in Russia.
Because it's non-pasteurized, it has a 90-day shelf life. So by the time we got it out to Russia, we'd have to switch it and bring it back. So back through if the bottle's okay, or recycle. Comes through and you can see date code.